Did you know honey has been a skincare secret for centuries? Discover how this natural wonder can transform your skin with its amazing benefits. Welcome! Today we're diving into the world of honey and exploring how it can help you achieve youthful, healthy skin. From ancient beauty rituals to modern skincare routines, honey remains a powerful ingredient for a glowing complexion. Many of us struggle with common skincare issues like dryness, acne, and premature aging. These problems can be frustrating and challenging to manage. But what if there was a simple, natural solution that could address all of these concerns? Enter honey! Let's explore why honey is so effective for the skin. Antibacterial properties. Honey naturally fights bacteria, making it excellent for acne-prone skin. Moisturizing qualities. Honey is a natural humectant, drawing moisture into the skin for deep hydration. Antioxidant power. Rich in antioxidants, honey helps protect the skin from damage and promotes healing. Soothing and healing. Its anti-inflammatory properties calm irritation and accelerate wound healing. Don't just take our word for it. Listen to personal testimonials and see before and after examples from people who've incorporated honey into their skincare routines. Their glowing, youthful skin speaks volumes about honey's effectiveness. To sum it up, honey is a versatile and powerful addition to any skincare regimen. Its antibacterial, moisturizing, and antioxidant properties help combat dryness, acne, and signs of aging, leaving your skin looking youthful and radiant. Ready to experience the magic of honey for yourself? Try incorporating it into your skincare routine and share your results in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more skincare tips and tricks.